Hey, pack leaders, this is here. Friends, right? Protecting founder, protecting the pack. I want to show you guys a ETH USD setting that we're doing well. We're using higher contracts, 22,000 contracts, in two days, netted about 0.17 BTC, so that's equivalent to about $9,000, $1,530 in 2 days, using 22,000 contracts. So um, go ahead and take the settings, see how it works for you guys. It's make sure the map set signals are as is. Contracts, that's up to you. Limit order, negative 0.05 for the fee. 5 minutes, make sure they're both checked. Make sure this is there too. This is important, the 0.01 minimum price change to sell. And then you can pause the video to get the rest of these settings, okay? And then you want access to the tuner, it's in the description below. So far, it's doing really well. Since I'm going to be traveling, I I can't be watching the trades all the time, getting stressed out, whatever. So we're just gonna let the Mad Hatter do its job. And what we do now is, as a portfolio grows, you notice that here the trade amount increases. So as the portfolio grows, it's always gonna use 33% of the portfolio. So as it grows, it's gonna compound and start increasing the trade amounts as it grows. Okay. So that's automatically calculated whenever it sees that this is there and it's in no position, it'll recalculate this to a different trade amount. Okay. Now I'm also running XBT with this, so between the two is probably going to battle for that 33%, and we'll kind of because it's what's remaining. So if XBT is in position, then what's remaining, it'll take 30% of what's remaining of that wallet balance. So that's probably why it's been adjusted down to 22 as opposed to 25. But anyways, hopefully they take turns, and by the time this runs, it readjusts to something higher. Okay. All right. Talk to you then. Thanks.